Hi, welcome back to Vivid Days. I just wanted to thank everybody for their continued support and the beautiful comments that I'm receiving regarding my whales. Today, this one's going to be a very simple, fun one. You can see me here just working on my undercoat of purple, just in case anything sinks through. So let's see how this piece turns out. I am going to be using the colour Cottage pigment, which is Bluebird Blue, Totally Teal and Heather Glen. All I'm wanting to do is experiment with my peacock that I did in my silicone mould, and what I'm wanting to understand is how to best apply it. So this is a small piece. I didn't expect it to turn out, and although it has turned out okay, there's lots to learn along the way, and by no means was the aim of this test or experiment to create a really nice piece. It was really just to feel how the mould sits, what can I do differently, and how I can learn along the way. So I hope that you enjoy this video. It's a fairly short one, but I still would love your feedback if you have tried this mould yet. What I envisaged doing on this piece was using the colours that I used in my mould and filtered them down. And when I applied them, they did merge together a little bit more than I was hoping that they would, but they still were beautiful. And I added a little bit of texture in there by some of the embellishment with the gold glitter. As I heated it up, what I noticed is it bled together a little bit more, so not as defined as I would have liked. Again, that wasn't the goal of this experiment. It was really just to see how I can work with this silicone mould and add it. The big learn for me was when I added my silicone mould, as you could imagine, it pushed some of that resin from underneath, which created a flow and a ridge around it. So next time I probably would make sure that I add it before, and put the resin around it, or add it once it's dry and create another layer. Other than that, that was really the main thing. Something to take into consideration as well is when you're adding this second layer and you do have to remove your bubbles, take that into consideration before you do apply it. Other than that, be like me, be willing to have fun, be willing to fail, be willing to learn, because it's only when you're immersing yourself in your medium can you learn how to do things and improve. And although, as I say, I really enjoy sharing this with you so that you can learn with me, and I think it is a cute little piece. Lots of things I would do differently. But I'm going to leave you for now because I'm digressing, because I am Sharon. That's what I do. And I hope you still find some value in watching this video. I hope you're having the most amazing day, and I hope you're getting to spend some quality time with your families. I'll see you on the next video. That's a cute little fun piece. Let's see how this is going to dry, if those swirls are going to stay there. It's coming off the edges, so I'm glad I did paint that, but it's actually quite cute putting that little silicone mould there. But let's see how it cures, and here's my second one that I'm going to put to dry. See you on the other side of curing. Okay, so welcome back to Sharon from Vivid Days. I worked on this fun little piece the other day, and the principle's fine, but it has bled in quite a bit the colours, so it was just a quick little piece with the peacock colours and just experimenting with what happens when I put them in the middle.
and overall not too bad. I'd love to improve on it, and I think what I would do is put the peacock down first and then add the resin so that it's an extension of it, because it created a little ridge around it. It's smooth, but it just pushed the resin out, and probably take a little bit more time to make sure I'd got the defined colours I want. But there is some beautiful peacock tones and colours in there, and what I'm going to do is just come in and do a little bit of embellishment with the swirls with the gold, just to make it an extension of his tail feather down here. So I'm going to put the glue on first. Let's get these so it's steady, which is the Peebo mixation, and I'm just going to draw in a few swirls where I feel them. Now I am anticipating that I am going to do this with gold, so because it's not stayed in the true swirls that I wanted, that's why I'm just going to go against what is there and just add the way I see it now. Just have fun would be my recommendation. So while this is drying, what I'm going to do is come back and show you the second one that I did. I think it's going to have, let that dry for a little bit and come back. But while it is, this is the second one I did, so still using the same colours, but I applied it slightly different. Got my glitter in there, and this time I've applied it with hopefully different colours on the layering. So let's peel him out. And let's see. So slightly more glittery, add a little bit more glitter, and you may or may not be able to see it. So before I had it where it was blue just at the top here, whereas now I've got green defined here, blue coming through to purple, and a little bit of green there. So I've worked a better consistency there. And down the middle I've got blue, purple and little bits of green. But on the odd one you can see I've got purple here but green here, and peacock green and blue here. So I reckon if you've got time and patience, mixing up what's right on the top here and using a different colour all the way, just chucked my bird down. So I think he's a slight improvement on the first one. So I'm going to keep perfecting that or adding different tones. Breezer, he's a blinged up one. Alright, so I will see you on the other side of this video when I add my gold leaf, and I'm going to clean this off, ready for the next one. It's a cute little piece, very big little gold embellishments, but no, fun, fun, fun in the sun, sun, sun. Ooh, that bright light. There we go. Fun with your silicone mould. Hi, this is the cute fun little piece. I had to go with putting my silicone mould onto the colours that represented the peacock. It's just a fun cute little piece to get some ideas. These have come out a little bit thicker than I wanted, but then again I actually still quite like them, the mirror effect. And lost some of the tones of the purple. But it's all about learning and perfecting, and I probably would have put this on second after I'd applied the resin, but it just gives you the idea of what you can do with some of these moulds. If you like my work, thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'd love to know what you're getting up to when it comes to silicone moulds and resin art.